My only desire is that Indian should be a good producer, no one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in the country.
The main task before India today is to consolidate herself into a well-knit and united power.
Every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh, or a Jat.
Faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength both are essential to accomplish any great work.
It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and to defend its freedom is his duty.
Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much.
Manpower without unity is not a strength. Unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power.
Your goodness is impediment in your way, so let your eyes be red with anger and try to fight the injustice with a firm hand. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India.
Ours is a non-violent war. It is Dharma Yuddha.